Hello everyone, welcome you all on the Knowledge Pivots channel. This is part 15th of the GA question series of RRB and TPC 2021 exam. Question number 1 is Santosh Trophy is associated with which of the following sports? So it is associated with the football. Which of the following is not an application of fiber optics? So the optical fiber is used for computer networking. It is also used for sensor making and power transmission. It is not used for power generation. Transmission के लिए तो use होता है, generation के लिए नहीं use होता ये. In 1969, who among the following was a part of crew of space flight Apollo 11? So Apollo 11 was a space flight that landed the first two people on the moon. Commander Neil Armstrong and lunar module pilot Buzz Aldrin. So it is Neil Armstrong. इन दोनों को मून पे लैंड किया था अपोलो 11 ने. Which of the following Newton's laws of motion can explain why a ball thrown at a ball rebounds? So this is explained by the Newton's third law of motion. There are three laws of Newton's law of motion, and third law of motion states that to every action there is an equal and opposite reaction. Tom Hanks is associated with which of the following? So he is a filmmaker and an actor, American actor. Which of the following awards is Sachin Tendulkar not awarded with? So he is not awarded with Dhyan Chand Award. And it is the highest sports award in India, which is given by the Government of India for lifetime achievement in sports. Which out of the following is not a launch vehicle for India for placing the satellites in orbit? So GSAT-8 is not a launch vehicle, it is a communication satellite, and all the three are launch vehicles. Which term is not associated with sound wave? So hertz, decibel and mash is associated with sound wave. Candela is a unit of light intensity, it is not associated with sound wave. Which chemical is used in ripening of mangoes artificially? So it is done by calcium carbide, CaC2. Dash has emerged as a convenient means of global communication, information sharing and services. So obviously its answer is internet. Which of the following organ does not belong to human excretory system? So kidneys, urethra all belongs to the excretory system. Uterus is the part of female reproductive organ. It does not belong to the human excretory system. Which of the following is not a storage device? So hard disk, CD-ROM, flash drive, all are storage devices. Modem is not a storage device. Who of the following founded the Vikramshila University? So it was founded by Dharampala. ये क्वेश्चन काफी बार एग्जाम में पूछा गया है. Among the pairs of rivers given below, which flow in the southern part of India? So it is Kaveri and Godavari. These are the rivers of south. Which kind of cell division is used to repair an injury by the body? So इसमें वो वाली cell division होंगी which is equational. And correct answer is mitosis. Mitosis is also known as equational division, and meiosis is known as reductional division, and it takes place in the gametocytes. Who among the following participated in the Chittagong Armory raid as part of freedom movement? So many people participated in this freedom movement, and one of them was Preeti Lata Vadidar. Which is correct inverted sequence, that is from last to first, of Mughal emperor who ruled the Indian subcontinent? So the last one was Bahadur Shah, and before that Aurangzeb, and before Aurangzeb it was Shahjahan. Shahjahan se pehle Akbar. The members of the All India Services serve the, so they serve both the union and the state government. Which of the following does not contribute to the sparking of diamonds? So the TIR, total internal reflection, high refractive index of diamond and dispersion all contributes to the sparking of diamond. So correct answer is low refractive index of diamond. About 93% of tribal women cannot contest for the post of Sarpanch in Rajasthan as they are not educated enough. What is the educational qualification necessary? So it is the minimum qualification is class 5th. Urbanization and unsustainable development in India raised several environmental concerns, but not one among the following. So, deforestation, soil degradation, depletion of natural resources, all are the result of urbanization. Correct answer, erratic monsoon. It is not caused by the urbanization. Which is the smallest planet in our solar system? So, it is Mercury. It is the smallest planet. A famous Shiva temple, Pashupatinath, is in. So, this temple is located on the bank of Bagmati River, which is in Kathmandu Valley of Nepal. Correct answer is Nepal. A newborn human baby is fed with the first secretion called colostrum from the mammary gland of his or her mother. What does colostrum impart? So it imparts immunity to the newborn baby because it contains antibodies which protect the newborn against the diseases. And colostrum mainly contains the IgG antibody. Which acid is secreted by certain glandular cells in the stomach lining? So it is HCl. Hydrochloric acid is secreted by the gastric glands. Who discovered benzene? So benzene was discovered by Michel Faraday. Which of the following technique is used to know the age of a tree in years? So the age of a tree in years is done by counting the number of tree rings, which is the result of the secondary growth in trees. Which of the following is used to detect current in a circuit? So it is detected current is detected by the galvanometer. Which of the following is not based on the principle of relationship between the volume and pressure of air? So it is pulley, in which mainly the force works. To pinpoint a criminal, forensic department uses the technique called DNA fingerprinting, which shows the genetic makeup of a person or the other living organism, and it is used as evidence in courts to identify the bodies, track down the blood relatives, and to look for cures for diseases. Computers cannot work without the CPU, central processing unit, and CPU are known as the brain of the computer. What is the capital of Syria? So it's Damascus. Which of the following is at the second trophic level of food chain? So at the second trophic level, we will see the primary consumers, which are mainly herbivores. So the correct answer is rats. The title of the Persian translation of Mahabharata is, so the in Persian translation, the Mahabharata is titled as Rasmanama, which means the tale of war. Thank you all. If you like the video, please like and subscribe this channel and get the latest update about the new such videos. And it's my assurance to all that my videos will definitely help you in your preparation for the RRB NTPC 2024.